This is the Strainrite Easy Crimp tool, called the 3-in-1. The three tasks it does is it's got the wire cutter on the end, then you come into the next one there is the wire stripper, and it does the small crimps here and the range of large crimps in this back hole. For using on large crimps, here's an example using an electric crimp. Just slide the crimp on the cable, push that down on the wire, just using the large hole here, put it on. It's easy if you take a lot of small bites, just make sure you have it lined up well in the tool. Start at one end and just work along using small bites. With a nice neat finish. The wire cutter is on the end of the tool.